Hello and Happy New Year to everyone. Parang kulang tong bigay. Yes. Happy New Year and Happy New Year also dun po yung nasa Cebu Center, okay, nasa Baguio Center, and all those who are watching in our YouTube as well as our Facebook and live online po. So, even po yung mga nasa abroad, hello din po sa kanila. So, sino po yung mga first-timer ngayon? Ayan. O, sige. Thank you so much. So, once again, I am Norily Magsingit, Sharon Rose Master from Fairview Lagro Center. Okay. So, it is my honor and pleasure that I was chosen to speak or the first salvo of our product introductions. And this is the year of the dragon, right? Yes. So if it's year of the dragon, what does it signify? It signifies vigor, charm, and power. So, alam nyo ba kung ano ang sound ng dragon? Ra, 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 di ba? Okay, so let's start doing it to your right and to your left. Okay, sige nga, sabihin nyo, ra, ra, ra. Okay, 1, 2, 3, ra, ra, ra. Alright, so paano naman yung pagbuga ng apoy? Ha, ra, ha, di ba? Okay, anyway, whatever the dragon signifies, okay, we still have to thank the Lord for all the blessings that He has done to all of us. The last year of 2023, this 2024, and the near future, right? So you have to become a dragon also this 2024. Can you do that? Yes, and with that, we're going to focus on our product in Atomy. So we are dealing with, or it entails about health, beauty, home, personal care, and as well as food and life with absolute quality and absolute price. Okay, so this is our website. So you just click on www.atomy.com/ph. Do not write /US, ha? Baka mapunta kayo, dollar ang bayaran nyo. Okay, so with that click, you will notice then, there are all our products and you can choose it. So for those who haven't used their website, start using it now. Start clicking. Because ngayon ang panahon ay click, click, click. Right? Okay. So our products came from the word masstige strategy. And when you say masstige, it came from the word mass. Okay, pag sinabing mass, general, public, or everyone. Matanda, bata, ano pa? Kay binata, may asawa, balo, lahat. Alright? Lahat ng nagtututbrush, lahat ng naliligo. Meron bang hindi naliligo dito? Okay? So lahat ng naglalaba, meaning our products are used by everyone in our daily usage. Okay, and another, it is coined in a word teach, which means high quality. Okay, so we have the prestige. Okay. Now, our product philosophy came from absolute quality and absolute price. It is always being mentioned by our CEO, by our chairman, and everybody, and all the members. And what does it mean? So it means that when you say absolute price, so meaning that if you're comparing it to the branded, di ba may mga branded, yung presyo po ng ating mga products is lower than the price that they have. Ibig sabihin, mas mura po siya. And if you say high quality, meaning na sobrang taas ang kalidad ng ating mga produkto. So if you compare it also to the leading brand, okay, it has the high quality but lower price. Okay, so I'm going to give you this figure. This is a recent figure. The cause of mortality or the top 20 Philippine mortality or death from January to May of 2022 and 23, and as of July 31 of 2023. So the number one leading cause is the ischemic heart disease. Ibig sabihin, sakit sa puso. Okay, neoplasm, ibig sabihin, cancer. Next, cerebrovascular disease. Ayan, maraming kumain ng chicharon at lechon. Diba? So, stroke. Okay. What else? Diabetes mellitus. Masarap ang matamis. Diba? And then pneumonia, of course, because of our environment right now, because of the COVID and other respiratory diseases, ayan, meron tayo yan. And, yan, hypertension or hypertensive. So, bakit kaya kailangan kong sabihin to? Okay, because we have our products to counter, okay, or to prevent these diseases or mortality. And I'm going to feature to you the Himuhim, the Hongsam, the vitamin C, and probiotics package, di ba? Ang dami. Ang daming assignment ni Sir Eric sa akin. Okay, so let's start first with Himuhim. Himuhim stands for hemo. If you say hemo, we're talking about blood, right? So it is the blood that is distributing the oxygen in our body. So pag unawalan ng distribution ng blood sa utak natin, ano nangyari sa atin? Okay, hindi mo na comatose, hihimatayin ka muna, di ba? Yun, so hihimatayin ka, di ba? So hemohim stands for blood. And then H stands for, alam niyo yung H? Ha? Hemopoietic. Meaning, nakalimutan, hemopoietic is the production of the blood. Okay, so, hemohim is responsible in producing the new blood. So it takes 120 days for us to replace our blood, right? And I stands for immune system. Okay, so that's the target. And M stands for modulation. Lahat ng mga abnormal, mataas, mababa, ginagawa niyang normal. Ayan. And what is immunity? Let us know, ano ba talaga itong immunity? Immunity is the ability to recognize and resist viruses, bacteria, parasites, and fungi once they enter in our body, and we have it in our body. Okay? So they are the one who stop the harmful bacteria from entering our system. And how do himuhim or our functional foods boost our immune system? So they help strengthen immune cells or they regulate the functions and help even the foreign bodies that are entering into our body or the harmful foreign bodies to be stopped. Okay? And they eliminate it. Ibig sabihin talagang tinatanggal nila yan and help us to become comfortable and have a good life or a balanced health. Okay? So, ayan. Ang immune system is just like networking. It is a networking of our system. So as you can see, we have a lot of immune system in our body. So, eto lang yung simple, di ba? Pag kayo medyo may problema sa baga, anong nangyayari? Nagkakaroon kayo ng kulane saan? Sa ilalim ng tenga, right? So, meaning, your immune system is now responding. So, once you are attacked, or your body is attacked by the bacteria, virus, fungi, parasites, your body responds then, and your immune system responds sa pagkakaroon ng kulane or sometimes fever, di ba? So, ganun yun. So, that's how our immune system. So, parang sinasabi niya, wait. Okay, merong uma-attack sa akin, di ba? So, pinagre-ready niya tayo. Okay, and even our cells. So, we have to enhance our immune system. Okay, by taking our himuhim. Love na love ko po si himuhim because I am a cancer survivor. And because of Himuhim, nandito ako sa harap nyo, healthy, di ba? And sharing with you the benefit of Himuhim. Alright. So why take Himuhim? Remember that we are exposed to environment. Our environment is not that clean, right? So marami tayong smog. Dito pa lang, di ba? So what else? Okay, our immune system, natutulog yan, one exposed also sa stress. Pag dumating na si Judith, di ba? Stress ka na, okay? Kasi yung mga due date mo, kailangan mo nang bayaran, okay? So that is stress. And of course, the food that we take. So masarap kasi ang maalat, matamis, at mamantika, tama? Yeah. The 3 M's, di ba? That cause our immunocytes to be exhausted. And once we take Himuhim, then it will boost our immune system. And how does it boost our immune system? It has what we call as NK cell activation. And what is NK cell activation? Ang NK cell po, siya po yung pumapatay doon sa mga hindi napatay ng ating mga B cells and T cell on the first, once they enter first in our body. Yan. So, actually, sa bone marrow siya nag-i-start. So, as I told you, you have to continue taking Himuhim for 120 days because that is how the exchange of our new cells is formed. So 120 days, tuloy-tuloy. Cytokine generation. Cytokine generation is a messenger. So siya yung type of cells na nagme-message siya once our body is attacked. So, and they are the one planning. Ano ba yung gagawin natin? Ganon. So, ano bang gagawin ni B cells? Ano bang gagawin ni T cells? Alright? So, and then, it enhances also our immune system. And of course, it activates also all our defense. So the first defense, sa skin pa lang, we have our first defense. Di ba kapag halimbawang na-allergy ka, your skin has a defense and we call it the dendrites, okay? And then kapag halimbawa naman pumasok siya sa inner body natin, there is somebody who's going to kill it. Di ba? Meron yung i-engulf niya yon or hahanapin niya. And those are the functions of the B cells and the T cells. So, you have to clap because our Himuhim has these compositions, di ba? So, yan ang very important sa Himuhim. What else? Okay, there was a study in South Korea that what they did is they compare it to the ginseng. Okay, so they have a lot of ginseng that was compared, but on that study, so they noted na mas maganda po ang results ng mga nag-take ng Himuhim at mas maganda siya kesa sa ibang ginseng in Korea. Yan, alright. Okay. Next, alright. So saan po ba na-develop si Himuhim? Paano siya nag-start? So start in Kerry. So Kerry is an atomic energy research institute in South Korea. So it is under Korean government, right? And there's a lot of scientists here who are exposed to radiation because they are on they focus on the nuclear power plant and some energy related to the goodness of the South Korean government. However, ang nangyayari po sa scientists because they are exposed to radiation, nagiging sickly po sila. So they got cancer and other diseases. So the Korean government now told them na since you are all scientists, then why don't you develop a product or a supplement or a functional defense that will not make you sickly? So what happened is that they were given 10 years para ma-form nila this biodefense food, and they were given around 5 billion Korean won, so $4.7 US dollars, and in 8 years, they were able to formulate the functional food, which is the Himuhim. Then after that, pinasa nila ito sa pinakamagaling na manufacturer in the US and even in South Korea. Okay, so binasa nila ito sa Colmar to manufacture. Actually, Colmar is distributing beauty products to 250 countries around the globe. Yan. And when it was, they noticed that it was manufactured, then they pass it to the evaluation of manufacturing, food, drug, and safety. And with that, ito po yung nagustuhan ko. Okay, bago nila i-approve yan, okay, our product should undergo a clinical trial. Right? So, ang clinical trial, we have around 18 clinical trial. So, tinest nila lahat yan, and nakita nila na sobrang ganda, which then, in South Korea, naging #1 food supplement, medical food supplement siya. Right? And then, after po nun, okay, they started to commercialize it, and sino na yan? Tayo na po ang distributor. The Atomy. Yeah, the exclusive distributor of Himuhim. Alright? Ayun yung palakpakan yun, exclusive distributor kayo ng Himuhim. Alright, so Himuhim, okay, is composed of this substance. The Angelica gigas, the Lyngiston sinense, and the Paeonia lactifera. So it has a special immune function. And it is developed through biological and radiation technology. Meaning, they maintain the freshness and, okay, not only maintaining the freshness, but removing all the radicals. Right? So once it's enter into our body, it's free from all the radicals and can kill all the radicals in our body. Alright. So, eto po yung mga diseases. You can take a picture on it. Okay, so nakayang-kaya niya. So, we start with the autoimmune disorder. So, lahat po yan, autoimmune disorder, and then the liver cirrhosis, all with respiratory problems. Okay, what else? So, eto pa po. Okay, the Angelica radix. So the Angelica radix now treats our digestive system as well as our blood. So everything about blood problems and diseases, kaya niya rin po yan. Alright? What else? Okay, in this plant naman, it is effective also into our integumentary system. What is integumentary? Ito po yung mga skin natin, yung mga allergies, yan po. Skin diseases. Yan. So, kaya niya rin po yan. And, this is very important that in Singapore now, Atomy Himuhim is classified as a Chinese proprietary medicine as is under the purview of Health Science Authority. So, it now becomes as part of medicinal plant. Diba? Okay, pinapalakpakan po yan. Yan. Alright, so Himuhim is recommended for athletes, homemakers, employees, students, senior. Sino daw? Tayong lahat, di ba? So Himuhim then boosts our immune system for healthy and vibrant life. Kaya tingnan mo yung katabi mo kung naghimuhim yan. Kasi alauna na, di ba? Okay, pag inaantok yan, mag-take ka ng Himuhim. Alright? So another booster, para magising po kayo, is our Atomy Hongsang Dam or Korean ginseng. Okay. So our Atomy Hongsam Korean ginseng has 20 milligram per gram of ginsenoside. And what is ginsenoside? Ginsenoside is what we call as the RG1, RB1, and RG3. Ha! Ano ba yan? RG1 is to decrease your blood sugar, especially for the diabetic DM2, type 2. RB1, it suppresses tumor. Diba? Ang ganda niya. And RG3 is anti-inflammatory. So, ibig sabihin, lahat pinipigilan niya mag-swelling. Alright? So, what else? It enhances our immunity. It supports fatigue resistance. Therefore, kung inaantok ka ngayon, okay, mag-take ka ng Hongsam Dam. Okay? Hongsam Dam is really given kay pag inaantok ka na. Kasi ang ginagawa niya, it resume your vitality. Ayan. Okay, it promotes blood circulations, improve memory function. Yan, pag nakalimutan mo na yung pangalan ng asawa mo at boyfriend mo, kailangan mo ng Hong Sang Dam. And it is benefit as antioxidants. Remember that our body is having the what we call oxidative state. And in the oxidative state, okay, para yung para yung cell na nagdi-divide, na kapag halimbawang pag nag-divide yan, kailangan may partner siya. Pero pag wala siyang partner at nag-iisa siya, that makes it to become a disease, become cancer, or any other inflammations in our body. So you have to enhance your immune system during the oxidative state. So we have a 20 milligram of ginsenoside that is included in one packet of RG1, RB1, and RG3. What makes it different with the other brand? Okay, the difference is the other brand has RG1 and RB1, but they don't have RG3. And you have to be happy because our Hong Sam Tam has a complete RG1, RB1, and RG3. And the recommended dosage po is only 3 milligram per day. So if it's 3 milligram per day and we have 20 milligram per gram, sobra hindi? Sobra. Maganda hindi? Maganda. So it will make you stronger. Okay. So what are the possible benefits of ginseng? Improve mood. Pag laging magagalitin yung katabi mo, maghong-sangdam ka. It reduces stress, okay? Improves brain function. Para hindi ka maging makalimutin, ma-memorize mo agad, di ba? Anti-inflammatory, hindi agad mag-swell, helps with weight loss. Ay, gusto ko yan, di ba? So, it improves lung function, okay? And then lower blood sugar and boost your immune system. So our Hong San Dam is patented spherical granules and it is 100% ginseng. When we say patented spherical granules, pag ininom mo siya, it can be easily dissolved. Pwedeng without water, pwedeng with water, it can be easily dissolved, especially pag nagkaroon na siya in contact with our saliva. Okay, 100% Korean red ginseng because of the technology that is applied to our red ginseng. Di ba? Supposedly, ang ginseng daw dapat, ang maturity is 6 years. But because of the technology that we have in Atomy, 4 years lang po, mature na ang ating red ginseng. Ayan. So, 20 milligrams per grams po siya with ginsenoside, RB1, RG1, and RB3. Okay. So, it is spherical granules, so it's very easy. So ilagay nyo lang sa packet nyo at pag inaantok na kayo mamaya, take kayo niyan. Alright? So regardless of temperature, so it is melt in your mouth. And of course, as I told you, it is 100% ginseng. Okay? So this is now the nutritional facts. So you will notice there, yun ang hahanapin nyo po doon sa kanila, meron po ba siyang RG1, meron ba siyang RB1, and meron po siyang RG3? So yung iba wala po, pero tayo po, kumpleto po yan. Okay, so it is recommended to those people who gets easily tired and needs recovery. Kaya pag may meeting po kayo in the afternoon, you can take, I suggest you to take the Hong Sang Dam. Okay, para magiging active yung mind nyo, di ba? Ngayon ba active mind nyo while listening to me? Kasi pag hindi, mag-take kayo ng Hong Sang Dam. Okay, from fatigue, who wants to enhance their immunity, pag madali kayong mapagod, who wants a healthy life, the full of vitality, di ba? And who feels stress with excessive workloads. And those who worries about memory loss, pag makakalimutin po kayo, kahit nasa tabi nyo na, ayan, mga may Alzheimer's yan, okay, with depression, you can take this. Who wants to improve blood circulation, you take this. It decreases your blood pressure. Who wants to experience the rich taste of red ginseng, and a family members who can take this part for the better health of everyone. Yan. Sino na pa nakatikim ng ating Hong Sang Dam? Ay, konti. Sige, mamaya ha, doon sa ano nyo, mag-order na kayo. Okay? So, it is a patented technology. Di ba? Sobrang ganda niya. Napansin nyo, parang pareho siya ng himuhim. However, ang himuhim po kasi target our blood, our bone marrow. Mas deeper po ang target ng ating himuhim. Okay? So, again, precaution. So, 1 packet, 1 times per day. And if it's half or under 18, half packet per day lang po. Baka magulat kayo. Bigla po maglulundag-lundag dyan yung inyong kasama. Diba? Yung mga more than 18. Okay, so take a amount or dissolve it in the water. And when taken with water, sediment or red ginseng powder can appear. Huwag kayong magulat. Ha? So please consult also your physician since it is a plant-based. Sometimes there is an allergy reaction, but just for a minimum lang naman yon. And especially those who are taking also yung mga anticoagulant drugs. So you have to inform your doctor. And 1 packet, you have to seal it tightly and keep it always in a cool place. So you have to store it in a cool place that remember, di ba, mga live enzymes po sila. So it should be avoided na direct sunlight siya. Okay, so there might be clumps or granules due to humidity during the storage. Kaya magugulat kayo, bakit kaya siya ganito na, ba't ganito na siya? Hindi na siya granular type, dikit-dikit na siya. Kasi exposed na siya sa sunlight. Nilagay mo nang nilagay sa bulsa mo, naglakad ka ng lakad sa labas, di mo naman ginamit. Diba? So dapat tinake mo yon. Alright, so another powerful food that we have is our color food vitamin C. Sino na po ang nag-take ng color food vitamin C this morning? Ayan, mas madami. Alright, very good. So our color food vitamin C is an atomic color food vitamin C with 7 types of color food. And it is 110 milligrams. You might be asking, bakit 110 milligrams in others are 500 milligrams? Mamaya ako sasagutin. Okay? So our vitamin C is unlike plants and most animals wherein they produce their vitamin C. The vitamin C cannot be produced by the human body. Therefore, we have to consume it. So we have to eat lot of fruits and vegetables. And please avoid na overcooking of your vegetable. Why? You destroy the vitamin C. Sayang lang po, di ba? Tayo, ang hilig natin, lutuin ng husto. Okay, so it is a water-soluble. Okay, madali lang po siyang matunaw. And our vitamin C is certified by Food and Drug Administration. So, hindi kayo mahihiya na sabihin. Kasi nandoon yan, even doon sa website natin. And what does it do? It maintain connective tissue formation function. Ano po ba yan? Tumutulong po sa pag-produce ng collagen. Magta-take na kayo ng vitamin C? Gaganda kayo kasi it helps to maintain our connective tissue, right? It helps iron absorption. Why? Because the moment, kaya pinagsasabay po namin yan, when you take an iron, you have to take your vitamin C so that it will be absorbed by the body. Magandang partner po yung dalawang yan. It protects us from free radicals. So I told you, di ba, with the exposures of the environment, stress, and the food we take, our body is really exposed to radicals. Kaya nagkakaroon ng oxidative state in our body. Right? So madali tayong manghina, madali tayong maubo, masipon, right? So our vitamin C will protect us from having these radicals. Okay, so our vitamin C is a chemical compound, okay, that protects themselves from harmful insect and the UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation. So in the USA, they want to encourage people to eat lot of fruits and vegetable. So what they did is to have an Eat 5 a Day campaign or the 5 a Day campaign. And that was 1980s. And in 1990s, naging maganda po kasi ang naging effect. So even the WHO adopted this program. So in that program, okay, you have to at least eat 5 fruits or vegetable per day. Yan. And in our atomy, vitamin C, we're going to focus on the red and the yellow. Why red? Okay, red has a lycopene. And in that lycopene, okay, it is anti-cancer, and in the yellow, it is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant also. So why do we need to take vitamin C? Because it's needed in our body. Of course, the recommended dosage to us is only 75 milligram to 110 milligrams. More than that, it will be urinate by our body. Okay, what about the probiotics? Our probiotics then, okay, is to help break down food, produce lactic acid enzyme, eliminate toxins, promote good digestion, better bowel movements, and balance the gut bacteria or increase resistance to infection. So our body is 90% bacteria, 10% human. Bacteria ka, sabihin mo sa katabi mo. Living a healthy person intestine, it has 80% of good bacteria and 20% bad bacteria. So when it is eaten together in a good way, so it promotes a positive effect. So function of probiotics is it has a helpful lactobacilli, restrain harmful bacteria, and smooth bowel. Kaya di ba pag nagpuka, ang sarap. Okay, so when you take our probiotics, we have what we call symbiosis. Meaning, in the symbiosis, yung good bacteria po ay mas mataas, or 80%, kesa po doon sa bad bacteria. Now, in a pedia or in an infant, okay, we call it bifidobacteria. Nakikita po siya more on the excreta. That's why we encourage vaginal delivery. Because in the vaginal delivery, once na dumaan siya sa kanal, or the vaginal canal, yun po yung first intake of lactobacilli of the baby. Yan. Alright? Tapos breastfeeding also has this. And habang tumatanda po tayo, ano nangyayari? Nagdi-decrease po yung ating ang ating good bacteria. Okay? So, that is what you call now dyssymbiosis. Anong nangyayari pag mas taas ang bacteria sa ating intestine? Okay, to our gut, nangyayari po, tumataba tayo, di ba? Obesity, anti-inflammatory bowel disease syndrome, and nagkakaroon po tayo ng mga autoimmune disorder. So, ayan. So, if we have a problem, okay, in our gut, eto po yung mga may experience yung bad breath. Kahit na sandamakmak na toothpaste, ang i-toothpaste mo, if your gut is not clean, therefore, ibig sabihin po nun, bad breath ka pa rin, you have to take our probiotics. So we have the irritable bowel sound, diarrhea, stools, utot ka ng utot, di ba? Pag may kulay blue sana yung utot, malalaman nyo, di ba, sa katabi mo. Ay, di ba? Hindi maganda yung kanyang, gut. Alright? So there's a lot of problems. And is your cat killing you? Yes, if. Okay, these are the 5 dangers of your gut. So, there is a bloating, you weaken your immune system, you have a mental illness, makakalimutin, lagi kang depressed kahit hindi naman dapat. And then, of course, the antibiotics, di ba? Pag sinabing pro, tandaan nyo, pro is for life. Di ba? Bio is life, probiotics. But, so, when you take antibiotics, naging anti, right? Against life. Diba? So, ibig sabihin ang sinisira niya yung mga good cells natin. Right? So, when you take medications, you have to take your probiotics. Okay? If you have a lot of skin problems, tignan mo yung katabi mo, ay, kulang siya sa probiotics. Marami siyang skin problem. Diba? Kaya Atomians, mag-take kayo, ha? Para maganda skin nyo. Okay, so, again, So it harms your bacteria if you're taking all this. You lack prebiotics. Prebiotics is always the food of the probiotics. Tandaan nyo yan. Okay, antibiotic, lack of physical activity, cigarette smoking, not getting enough sleep. So matulog po tayo 8 hours a day. And not only that, 11 p.m. to 4 a.m. Yun po ang magandang tulog because that's the time wherein our body cells are rejuvenating. All right? Next. Okay, so how are you going to improve your gut? So you have to eat probiotics, consume more probiotics, adequate sleep, reduce stress. Yan, kaya kailangan lagi kayong nakangiti. Eat foods that are rich in polyphenols, like the dark chocolates, hindi yung chocolate na ang sarap kasi na, di ba? Dark chocolate po. For the wine po, 30 ml of wine only. Alright, so why choose Atomy Probiotic? It has 12 types of mixed lactobacilli. And it has also apple, banana, and strawberries in addition. So we have a lot of diseases, okay, that our probiotics in our life can do. And of course, it is recommended again to all of us to have. Sabi nga nila, ang pinaka-brain daw po talaga ng ating katawan is our stomach or our gut. Okay? So sabi, what you eat, what you are is what you eat. Tingnan mo yung sarili mo. Ganon, di ba? Okay, so we have a lot of food supplements, right, in Atomy. But always remember, bear in mind that you still have to protect yourself in your diet. Hindi porket marami tayong mga supplement na ganyan, sige, kain ka naman ng kain, hindi. So we have to maintain our 5 healthy habits. 1, eat healthy foods, exercise regularly, stay away from harmful substance, get plenty of rest, and spend time with God, the most important thing. Okay? And with that, thank you so much. And this is Nori Magsingich, Sharon Master from Fairview Lagos Center.